All right, so I got to my spot, or to the spot. This is my first time really kind of doing a run here. I don't even know if I really want to call this a run, because it's not going to be like anything crazy. But yeah, this is kind of my first time doing this run. He's had some hairpin turns, some really good twists. So this should be fun. First time doing it, so it's not gonna be too fast, but let's go ahead and check this out. There's one right there. Another one. First time here, and I didn't want to send it in a tree or something. A lot of this you kind of have to stay in second gearing. I've kind of realized when I was on the way to the spot. Brakes are phenomenal. This car just handles so well. Trying to stay in the one lane, so obviously I'm not gonna be able to go the fastest that I can on the road. I think I saw this on the way I'm really being careful on are the ones like coming off up on a hill or down a hill, because I can't really see what's kind of after it. Exits the gate so well. Cheat here a little bit. Like if I knew cars weren't coming too, it'd be a lot easier. But I mean, you'll see. I'm gonna kind of go ahead and be quiet, let the car talk. that was like the twistier part. The one kind of back that way to the right. It's got a few twists here and there, but not nearly as aggressive as that one. So I might record that, but it kind of all just depends. Right now, I'm just gonna kind of cool it down a little bit, or not let it cool down. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna stop this one. Probably gonna start a new recording for this new one. Hopefully, you guys enjoy that route. Like I said, I couldn't really full send it because that was kind of my first time doing that full route over there, and that's like the main route. But next time, hopefully, I get a little faster, get a little better with it. But if you want more of this stuff, let me know. More than I'm glad to kind of do this stuff. But without further ado, peace.